Have you ever questioned why some people naturally inspire others to follow, while others struggle to get even basic cooperation? What if the secret to true influence isn't about force or persuasion, but something much deeper? In this video, we're diving into the art of influence at its core. How to make others not just do what you want, but want to do it themselves. Alright, let's go. There's a profound truth about human nature. The only way to make someone do what you want is to make them believe that the desire to act comes from within them, not from you. You see, true influence isn't about force or threats. You can't hold power over someone with fear, whether it's the fear of punishment or the fear of losing a job. Such tactics might compel action in the short term, but they'll never inspire genuine effort or commitment. At best, you'll get compliance. At worst, resentment. They'll do what you ask while you're watching, but their heart won't be in it. Their mind will be elsewhere, and their true potential will remain untapped. So, how do we transcend this superficial level of control? How do we reach a place where someone willingly, even eagerly, does what we ask? The answer lies in understanding a fundamental principle. People are driven by their own desires, not yours. We all live within the world of our own wants, needs, and aspirations. It's like fishing. You don't bait a hook with what you like. You use what the fish desires. Similarly, in the realm of human influence, you must speak to what truly matters to the other person, not just to you. If you want someone to take action, don't just tell them what to do. Show them how it serves their deepest needs. Explain how doing what you ask will bring them closer to what they value most. When people see their own desires fulfilled through the path you've laid out, they'll walk that path with intention, not reluctance. And what if you need someone to stop a certain behavior? The same principle applies. Show them how continuing down their current path will lead them away from their desires, or how changing course will bring them closer to their true goals. This isn't manipulation. It's alignment. It's about harmonizing your goals with theirs, so they don't feel compelled, they feel inspired. They don't feel pushed, they feel guided. And in that space, they'll see you not as a controller of their actions, but as a partner in their journey. When you align your intentions with the core desires of others, you create a powerful synergy. They'll not only do what you want, they'll want to do it. And that's the deepest form of influence. Alright, that wraps up today's session. I hope you've gained a deeper understanding that true influence isn't about force or threats. It's about connecting with the interests and desires of others. If you found this valuable and want to explore more content like this, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our IC page and channel. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.